Miss Lillian. Okay, I want to show us one of the one of the things I gave as task the last time. And one of those things is how to export your work in JPG in .jpg format. Lillian, are you following?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So that's what I expected you to do on the task. For example, I think this was the last class we did. That's when we had something like this. So you remember that this was our design, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So how you do export before is, I think you either click here this publish to PDF, abi, or you go to file and click publish to
Export.
PDF. Uh, that's how you do it before, right?
Okay. Okay. I did export instead.
Okay, you do export.
Like that part, I clicked on export
Uh-huh.
instead of.
And did
Mm.
what again?
And then I now change it to this JPG.
And change it to
And
JPG.
now, mm,
Uh-huh. And now what?
and now export.
So what? How did it come out?
It brought out only one of the files and other options. I just click OK. And then
The output is what I'm talking about. The output of what is exported. What did it show?
huh?
The output of what you exported. What did it show?
I did not. I just put it and sent it to my desktop. So I just went straight to the desktop and sent it to WhatsApp. I did not open it. Let me go and open it and know how it is display.
What you sent is still PDF. See what you sent. I'm just seeing it now, sir. What you sent is what you sent is
No, this one, the second one I sent is PDF.
the first one.
I deleted it because he said I did not send it to him.
It was not in JPEG now. Okay, just watch. So this is the design files.
Mm.
Hmm. So you can have many things on this page. You can have many things on this page. But our main design is the one on the center of the page. Remember, the one on the page border, see it here. That's our main design. This is our main page. If I want to export, this is the sample of this one we use as sample to design. This is the main. This is the main design. So if I want to export this work, if I want to export this work as JPEG, how do I do it? First, I will have to, because we have many things here. For the reason that we have many
Okay.
things here, I will have to select the main work. Please pay attention. If I select the main work, I group. If I select the main work, I group by Control G. I've grouped the work. Huh? Then I now go to my file. I go to export. Then I choose the name I want to export it with. So maybe I type ID card. Then I choose the folder I'm exporting to my desktop folder. Idea.
Yes.
Then I come down here. See this, there's a drop down after the name, under the name. You see a drop down. This drop down will tell you the format you want to export it. There are a lot of formats. You can see JPG, you can see PNG, you can see PDF, you can see AI, you can see CPT. So any kind of format you want to export it as, it can go. So the main format is the JPG format. JPG, I've explained to us that JPG is just simply a picture format. Export it in a way that it will come as a picture. Those tags I used to send you, I said do send it to you as pictures. But the ones you do submit, you submit them as PDF. You have to download and maybe you need a PDF reader. But this one, if you export as JPEG, you don't even need any PDF reader to open it. You just open it as a picture on WhatsApp, like someone sent you a picture. You get it now. So I'll select my JPG format. Then make sure that there is an information here. Make sure if your own is not if your own is not checked, check it. There is an information here which is selected only. I don't know if you can see it.
Yes, I can
Yeah,
see it.
selected only. Selected only simply means I'm only exporting the selected part, which is that part that I selected and grouped. Are you getting it now? If you leave it unchecked, it will export everything. It will export one, two, three as picture, and it won't look nice. But what I want is only the main work. So I'll keep it at selected only. Then I will click on export. Then if I click on export, it will bring out a we are called this. This is not a dialog box. This is a more information page. It will bring out a page like this. They won't bring out something like this for me.
But I found where my issue. I was using two pages to design. I wanted to, like, when I finish the other one, I'll bring it back to the first page. So when I exported, I did not select.
Okay. So see what I did now. This is when you come to this box. When it brings you to this box, you have only one thing or two things to do. Number one is come here. Come here that they wrote color mode.
Mm.
Come to this color mode. Click on the drop down and select your color mode to RGB color.
Okay. Okay.
Select to RGB. So whenever you're exporting, anytime you're exporting, always export in RGB format. That's the standard color format.
Oh,
Uh, if you export it in CMYK format, it will give you another thing. Time will come when I will explain the difference between RGB and CMYK. Then the second thing is come to this place they wrote quality. Quality means how do you want it to have how do you want the picture to be. If I set it to high, the picture quality will be okay, but not too okay. If I set it to medium, it will be kind of blurry. If I set it to low, the quality will be reduced to lowest. But most importantly, I always put mine at highest. So
okay.
if your own is not at highest, change it to highest. The highest is 100%. If it's as highest, you see 100% here. Then that's the two things you have to do on this page. First, change from CMYK to RGB. Then second, change your quality to highest. Then you click OK. Once you click OK, it will export. Sometimes okay, this one is not too big. Sometimes you see an icon here that will come out, an exporting icon. So how do I know? I exported to my desktop. Then I can now go to my desktop and I can now go
Check
to my
it.
desktop. See the file here is
Mm.
id card.jpg. So if I open this, file here. It will open as a picture.
Okay.
If I send it to you on WhatsApp, is you will see it as a picture. Let me try sending it on WhatsApp. You will see what I'm.
I want to do my own. That's the other one that I've sent. Can I delete the other one that I've sent as PDF?
Okay, if you can get it, you can delete it and send it. So that's one of the tasks I gave you. So check
Okay.
it. This is my WhatsApp now. If I can click to photos, then send the work. So do you know why I'm showing us how to do this JPEG exporting?
Mm-hmm.
This is because when you are working on a design, uh, when you are working on a design and when you're working on a design, assuming I finish this ID card, I want to send to my client. I will not I'm not expected to export as PDF and send to the client. I'm expected to export as JPEG in a smaller size file, send it as picture to the person. The person will see the work. If there's correction, the person will revert to me. I would still work on it and correct and send back to the client. So you only send PDF after the whole work is done. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
Uh, you only send PDF one after the whole work is done. Two, after you have received your whole payment.
Okay.
Are you getting it now? If I send it as picture, the quality will not be okay in case the person wants to print it. So I still have control over my design work. But if you carry your work and send to the client at that first time as PDF, the client can take that work to another place, maybe complete the editing and run the work without you even knowing, and it won't collect your balance. You understand it now? Uh,
Yeah.
so sometimes when I'm even exporting, I intentionally set the quality to low so that the picture quality will be very low. I'm sure that you can't use it for anything because you have not paid me complete. Except you have paid me complete. uh So it's also a business strategy. Sometimes when I'm exporting, if I meet clients that I know that these clients can be tricky. Are you following me? That this thing I'm talking about is also important on this design journey because we'll be meeting a whole lot of different clients. uh Sometimes if I want to send to all these stubborn clients, I will watermark my design. Are you getting
Okay.
it? I'll just watermark my design. Maybe I'll type Juma text. I color it white. Then I'll reduce the transparency so that it doesn't off. So are you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, I can see.
Then maybe I will slant it like this, duplicate it. So if I send this work, let me export it now. If I export this work and send to you, RGB, then send. If you check your WhatsApp, check the difference between the first one I sent and the second one. You see the difference, man?
Yeah, looking at.
So it means the person can see the design. Just what I said, just see the design, make your correction. I've rendered the design kind of useless for you. You can't use it because if you go to print it and you are printing, you want to print the picture, you are seeing this right up on top of the picture. It can't work. So these are design business strategies we use for clients in this industry. The client cannot question you why did you watermark the design, because the client is here to pay you your money. It's still your own property. It will become the client's property. Maybe after he has finished paying, I'll not delete the watermarks, and now export the whole thing to the person as maybe as JPEG or as PDF. Is that part clear now?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that's the essence of exporting. So when you are designing, number one, don't export as PDF at the first time. You export as JPEG. Maybe I have many designs. I export this one JPEG, do your correction and revert to me. Then after the design, you do that. Another okay. Let me not maybe as another thing I want to say is maybe as beginners, I won't say you should insist on collecting advance payment for design before you start work. Maybe you will finish and you get a client. As a beginner, I won't say you should insist, uh, but you can talk design cost with the person first. If the person agrees, then you you can start the design for the person. But when you are done with the design, make sure you watermark the design before sending to the person, because some clients, they can just do like they are no longer interested. Meanwhile, they have collected your design and be using it for what they want to use it for, and you won't hear from them again. So that's the essence of watermarking your design and exporting as JPEG. And if that person finally pays, you can remove the watermark and send the person the real file. So that is it for now. But for me, sometimes now I don't just start design because I can't even imagine wasting my time and you won't respond to the design. So sometimes you have to give me advance first, make I know say you don't commit yourself and you'll be interested in the design. Then if I complete, you send me my balance. So that is the business part of it. Then uh, okay, maybe I mentioned another too. Yeah, I mentioned that all three designs should be on the in one design file. Okay, you can do that one now. That one is just creating page one, page two, page three. So, Lillian, have you exported your own? I'm still waiting to see your own. I can't see your.
Okay,
Uh,
I'm on it.
okay. Miss Precious, you're welcome. Are you there? We didn't see your design today. Precious, can you hear me? How far with your task? So I gave us a very, very simple task. I gave us a very simple task to design two sets of ID card. This is the first one. There's a second one. Let me open the second page on this one. So I gave us a task to design this ID card. Precious, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please respond. How far with your task? Please be paying
I said
attention. You said what?
I said it.
Okay, okay, okay. Please be watching what I'm doing now. Be watching what I'm doing. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So this is the first the first task I gave us. Then this is the second one, to design these two simple ID cards. So let's start with the first one. Okay, you let me see. Okay, so this is ah okay. Uh, let me see. So this is Miss Lillian's design. Okay. Um, you can see your design here now, Lillian, right?
Yes.
Uh, so this your design is in JPEG format. As it is in JPEG format, I can't do anything with it. I can't even edit anything. I can't I can't click. It's open in Corel, but I can't do anything with it. Are you seeing it now? But assuming you exported it in PDF, I can select some items and make some changes in it. You understand? So this is your design. So let's check between this design and the sample I gave. Are they looking are they looking close?
Yes, sir, they look very close,
They
but
look
there's some correction, but
There's
they
some
look very
correction.
close.
Okay, so what's the first observation you made from the two things? This design and this one.
The white gap between the green circle up, the
Uh-huh.
white this thing is our own is very bold.
Our own is too much.
It's very
Okay,
white. Sorry, it's very white.
it's very wide, so it should be closed
It's
closed
very
up a
yeah.
bit. Okay. So
Yes, yes. To close up
another,
a bit.
which other precious are you here with us? I want to hear you comment. Okay. Then
The
another
green line.
another observation. Which one? The green line.
Another observation: the black down top.
Which one? This side? Is it this side?
Yes, yes. Uh,
Okay. Is kind of
our own too is not.
mm,
Yes, yes.
another
And
observation.
the green this thing,
The
and
green ball's height
the green
is
line piece.
is
Yes.
is is bigger. It should be close. It should be
Yeah.
smaller. Then you didn't observe the name text.
The green. Yeah.
The text.
The test.
Check the text. Your own is in bold format. See this one. This one is
Yeah, yeah,
just
yeah, yeah.
normal. This thing. So it's in bold format. You, you should have chosen a font that gives you a normal style. So you did. I like what you did. At least you tried. You tried. The only thing missing is this green curve
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is here. Every other thing
Yes.
that is here is is present. I like the attempt. So let's see what she did. Victor, later watch that first class. It will help you understand. That was when we did the YouTube. I'll send you the link. That was when we did this one. So we designed this
Okay,
one
just send me the link. I'll
in the
watch
last
it and do
class.
my own.
Uh, so let's check now. This is our work. First, the size of the ID card is this your size. You not get the size.
Huh?
See, I'm touching your work now, and the size I'm seeing here is 2.137 by 3.377. The size of an ID card should be 2.125 by 3.375. But let's ignore that. Then first we start by drawing our background rectangle. You know how I did this
Yeah.
now? I double click on the rectangle and the thing magically appeared here. Then I will remove my outline, select it to none. Then I will start by uh, okay. Let's start from the top. Let's start from the top here. Putting the circle. These things you are seeing here is just they are circles, circles, circles. They are
Okay.
simply circles, circles, circles. Let's draw a circle like this. Let me shift it a bit. Okay.
Mm.
Draw a circle, put it, bring it somewhere here. Uh,
Yeah.
increase it a bit. Increase it. Please, if you're on your computer, be following this thing I'm doing. Increase the circle,
Okay, sir.
then duplicate it, Control C, Control V, reduce another one, then Control C, Control V, reduce another one. So to have something like this, then color the background one green. Let's select the green.
Sorry, sir.
Uh,
What is the ID card, the measurement? Is it 2 point what?
2.125
2.125.
by
Okay, by
3.375.
okay, 3.7,
375.
3 point
3.375.
375.
So see
Okay,
what I
3.
did. The
Okay.
draw. I'm expecting draw three circles. Color them in this format. Then I remove their outline. So make sure you have something like this on your page. Give me a minute, please. Let's all work on this. I want to see this kind of just this circle like this by the top left of your page. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, sir.
Questions, are you following? Okay, I guess the screen is visible now. Right.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if you want to draw the circle, select the circle too. Then
Mm.
when you click and hold back and maybe try to achieve the circle.
Yes.
Then if you want to
Yes.
achieve a perfect circle is a circle that is like very round. The height and the width is the same thing.
Yes.
If you want to like this thing now, you can see
Mm.
this is not a perfect circle. It will be very hard for you to get a perfect circle
Yes.
like this. It will the shape, but
Okay.
the crack there is to hold your control key. Hold down your control key. Once you
Okay.
hold down your control key, it will give you a perfect circle. So if, at this circle now check the height
Okay.
1.323 by 1.323. And that's how to get a perfect. The same thing if you are
Okay.
drawing
I think, yeah.
if you are drawing a rectangle. is if you want to get a perfect square, hold down the control key, you get a
Mm.
perfect blocks square. So that was
Okay, I understand now.
uh, so this is these three circles now.
So
I cannot select the three of them and power clip them inside my main box. We know what power clip does in the design now. Power clip is to take off, carry the
yes,
excess
sir.
parts and take it inside. And I now have something like this. Are you seeing it now? Uh, then
Yes, yes,
I
sir.
can still edit it. So, I can still edit it. Let me make it look closer to what we are doing. I think it's drag it down a bit. So we now have something like this, which is what we have here. It's not looking like the same thing now. It's not looking like the same thing. How did they do it? Maybe let's see. Let's increase it like this. Okay. Then, okay, let's just work with this. Then what is next? You see the circle by the center that has the picture of the the person on the ID. Then it's still the
Yeah,
same way. It's still the same way. Draw a
yes,
circle.
sir.
Draw a circle. You can see if you check where you see there is a white border here, which means there is a white
Yeah,
circle before the main circle. So make sure align it to center, hold align it to center, hold my shift key, hold the box, and press C. That's come to center. Then I color it white. But I color it white and
okay.
I remove my outline. It is just white there. Then
Yeah,
I do control C and V, make another circle. I do control C and V, make another circle, reduce it, then I reduce this new circle, I reduce it small and color it. Let's say let me
okay.
color it this thing. So what I'm trying to get is to get this kind of white. That's the width of the white border. Okay.
Okay.
So you see it now. There is a white circle background before the
Mm.
one that has the picture.
Yes,
There's
yes,
a white circle before you do another one
yes,
on top. Then where I will now put my picture is in this one I colored gray and the ash. That's where
yes.
the picture will be. Then
Mm.
the let me increase it a bit. I think it's too small. Let me increase it a bit. Okay. Yeah. Then we now have it's remaining this line. This now here work be. You see this line now over there. This line,
That green line.
that green line.
Mm.
That green line is a big work. But let's see how we can achieve it. You can achieve that green line by uh, okay. You select the white circle. Hmm? Select the white circle.
Mm.
Then Control C and Control V. Like duplicate it. Hmm? Duplicate it.
Okay.
Give it another color. Let me give it purple. Let me increase it a bit. Then I'll send it to back. I'm sending it to back. We know how to send to back. Now go to order and
To the back.
send
Yes,
it
yes, yes.
behind. So I've
Mm.
sent the bigger
Yeah.
circle behind now. Then let me still increase it a
Mm.
bit. Okay. Then I also make another circle. Control C, Control V. Okay, let me color this one, this color. And also let me reduce it small. Then also send it to back. Okay. Yeah. See what I do. I want I We are done. Remember, we are done with we are
You
done with
repeat it
this.
two times.
Yeah, we are done with this white and this ash circle. These two circles, they are part of our design, and we have gotten what
Mm.
we want with them. So anything we are doing doesn't concern
Yes.
them. So these two now are good to go.
Yeah.
We are working on getting this line, and this is what we want to use and achieve it. These other two, purple and pink circle. So have you seen what I did now? I can now reduce.
Yeah.
Let me. We are trying to get. Remember, we are trying to achieve this line here that has small circles at the top. So this is how we do it. I've now. Okay. Okay. I think I have to reduce the both of them small again to come close. Select this. Select this. Reduce. Okay. Okay. Then let me just be watching me. Be watching me.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yeah.
we want to get that. We want to get that line. I want to get something that is close to
That
that
green line.
line,
Yeah.
that green line. So my green line now, my green line now is I want to use this purple side to get that green line. So as I've done this thing now, uh, as I've done this thing, what will I do?
Mm.
Let me. I'll give. I'll give outline. Let me give outline to this, to those two circles. Set the outline to hairline, then give the second
Okay.
one an outline. If you can see whatever I'm doing now, I'm not touching the white and the ash circle because
Yeah, the white one.
mm, those ones we are done with them. Then I've given, you can see the black outline on these circles. So we
Yes, yes.
check, uh, we draw a line. Come here, use your line tool. Mm? Come here, use a straight
Okay.
line tool.
Mm.
That straight line, I showed you the 2 point line, the one we should use, not the freehand.
Yes, yes.
Select the 2 point line. Then
Yes.
come to the center, come to center and draw
Mm.
a straight line. Let it cross the circle. Mhm. Let it cross the
Okay.
circle. Then draw another line from the center. Let it
Okay.
cross the circle. So we have something like this now. So this line is to give a barricade. If we check well, let me set the two lines to hairline. So we can see now there is a barricade here and there is a barricade here.
Mm.
So we want to make a
Yes,
line
sir.
out of this this region. Then there
Yeah.
is a tool we will use now, the magical tool we use for this task. That tool is called the Smart Fill tool.
Okay.
I mentioned it in the last video
Okay.
for those that were here in the last class. The Smart Fill tool. Where do you get it?
Okay.
You get it from this place we have interactive fill. I don't know if you remember interactive fill. I mentioned it. If you want to
Yes,
see
yes.
one,
Yes, I know that.
uh,
I know that.
then hold it. If you hold it, you click and hold, you see more option. You see another
Mm.
option inside it called Smart
Yeah.
Fill. Can you see it on my own?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Some some
Yes, sir.
some persons their own smart fill is separate, but my own, if you don't see it separate on this
Okay.
line, if you don't see it separate on this line, just click and hold the interactive fill side. You find it there. Then
Okay.
select the smart fill. The smart fill will give like a cross like icon. You see the cross like icon. It means now
Yes.
I can now smart fill. What will I do? I
Yes,
zoom
sir.
in. I zoom in. Then and smart
Mm.
filling this space. See, I want to smart fill this
Mm.
place. What do? I make sure that my cursor is at the center of where I'm smart filling. If I smart
Yes.
fill, if I
Mm.
once I click on it once, As you see, it has given me
Mm.
a shape.
A,
A
a
shape.
line.
See what smart
A
filling
shape
does.
there.
Smart filling tracks smart filling tracks lines. It tracks line anywhere,
That line.
space between lines. If I click here now,
Mm.
have you seen it? It has
Mm.
followed that line. Let me see.
Yes, yes, sir.
If I click here, it will
Yes,
follow
sir.
this line and stop at the other line. If I click
Yes,
here,
sir.
if I click here,
Yeah.
it will select and it won't cross that line. You see why we do that line
Yeah, yeah.
from the center? That's what smart filling does. So
Yes,
we
yes.
are smart filled here now. What we will do, we will change,
Yeah.
we'll change this. Smart filling will give us a new update. We cannot delete this line. I will delete the two lines we drew.
Okay.
Then we are left with this. We'll change it to our color, the green we are working with. Then remove the outline, set it to none.
Agree, yes.
Are you seeing something? Are you seeing
Mm.
something? Let me zoom in.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And then
Yeah.
you can now proceed. Delete those two earlier, like the purple
Yeah.
circle and the pink circle. We don't need it.
Yes, yes.
Are you seeing what we have left
Yeah.
now?
Wow.
So we
Yes,
don't
sir.
we
Yes,
only
sir.
use those two
Awesome.
circles, the purple and the pink, to achieve what we want. We don't need them. Sometimes we employ
To
we
achieve this line.
to achieve this line. So we have this line now,
Yeah.
and the lines start from the center, then cut at the other center here. Do you understand the line?
Yes.
That's how the line
Yes,
works.
sir.
Then we delete. And the line has this one
Mm.
has two circles at the it has like a circular
Mm.
something. What you do, just draw a small circle.
To the end. Yes.
Uh, draw a small circle, perfect
Okay.
circle. Color it green. Remove the outline. Then duplicate the circle. Huh?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Duplicate the circle. So you see what we have now. So we have gotten that red line. Then the other next thing here,
Yeah.
whenever I'm making a design, if you have observed, I like doing the
Mm.
graphical background first before I start typing, doing the text. The text is
Yes.
not
Yes.
much work.
Yes.
Where the
Yes.
work is the graphical work. So I'm avoiding the text side now. So the next task there now should be the bottom corner. What you have at the bottom, which is as simple
Okay.
as ABC. Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle from
Mm.
the edge, maybe small. Make it to reach the other edge. Make it to reach the other edge. Color it green
Yeah.
and remove the outline. But then we now
Yeah.
we now draw a circle. Draw three circles again. Yeah. Circle one, circle one big, circle one big. Then Control C, Control V. Okay, let's start. Let's just be coloring them at once. My system dey run. The first circle, color
Okay.
it green. Remove the outline. Then Control C, Control V.
That's right.
Reduce it and color it white. Then Control C, Control V again. Reduce it
Mm.
and color it black. Abi, are you seeing it now? We have something similar to
Then
this. Then
power
select
clip.
it and power clip.
Mm.
Right click,
Power clip.
power clip inside the box. So if you power clip inside the box, do you see
Yes,
how
sir.
it went back because the box is behind the rectangle that we
Mm.
drew. So what the secret
Yeah.
there is to
Yes,
also
yes.
power clip this rectangle for you to achieve what you want. Power clip the
To the
rectangle
back.
mm, inside the
Mm.
box. Then edit the box. Then send this rectangle to the back. Send the rectangle to the back.
Yeah.
I see it now.
to the back.
So we have
Yes, sir.
the layout
We have achieved
design.
it.
We have achieved the layout design on this one. But the other next thing is just to do the text type logo here. Logo here. Then this text is in italics. It's slanted. It's slanted. Just click italics here to make it slant. Then reduce it. Think it's reduced more. Then okay, take it up a bit. Then you break it. I showed us how to break. Control K. Breaking.
Mm.
I've, dismantled these
Yeah.
two texts to become separate objects. Before they were one. Before they were one. Then I use Control K and I break them. Did I break them because they are not? I want to. They have two colors. I want to change one to green color.
Yes. Yes.
Assuming they have the same color, I will leave it. I will leave it like that. No need to break. But since they have different color, I'll change it. Then we have logo here. Let me still reduce it. Still be still be. Okay. Precious, you want to say something? Precious, your hand is raised. Are you there? You raised your hand. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Victor, can you hear her?
No, I can't hear you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so that is that. Then we proceed with the name Christian Martin. Christian Martin. We reduce and align to center. Everything must be aligned to center. Increase it a bit. Then what next? Break. Okay, let's do the second one. Second one is graphic designer. Graphic designer. Align to center and reduce. We hope you're following.
Yes, sir.
This is in italics. No, not italics. Then I'll have to break this text. Control K and change this one to green. Yeah. Then I need to
Yeah.
break this text. Yeah. Change it to ID ID number. ID number. And make it bold and reduce it. Reduce it. Take it up. Then duplicate it by the right. Color it black. Then input the ID number. We'll start by inputting the colon space 000 04484. Okay. Let me reduce.
Yeah.
I will duplicate. Control C, Control V. I'll drag down.
Yeah.
Duplicate 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times. Then I'll now start changing the listing DOB. There are some shortcuts I'm using here, Victor. I will still show you that one later.
Yes, I know.
I'm using some shortcuts. Phone, then email. Then start editing. Why I duplicated this is for me to have the exact style. I know that I'm using the not
Yeah.
instead of me going here type another DOB here. If I finish, I go here
Yes.
again, type another phone. No, it will be, I'll have to be
Mm.
resizing to be doing back and forth. But if I duplicate, it's giving me the same font size, the same color,
Yeah.
the same everything. What I'll do is just be editing,
The same
put it
everything.
inside here. Then this one
Yeah.
change to colon space 011021. This one change to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one change to your ID. Yeah, yeah. So this is it. You can now, if you finish, you can now
Yeah.
group
So
everything here and align to center, just to make sure that these details are centralized.
they're all in the center.
In the center, you can ungroup. So as simple as it is, this is what we have something in there. You can now let me get a picture. Let me get a picture. Download. Think I have a picture. I have a picture. Okay, let me copy it from the first one. If you are designing for maybe for someone, they will send you their picture
Mm.
first now. So what you do is just copy their picture, bring it
Yeah.
inside. Then this is the picture of this person. Then what do I
Yeah.
do? I right click. I want to put it inside this circle, the gray circle. I right click and power click.
Mm.
It has automatically entered the circle. Then
Okay.
what will I
Yeah.
do?
Yeah. Yeah.
I can now edit it and resize. An ID card, the main thing is the face of the person, not the clothes is not the clothes is not relevant. What you just want to
No
get is
important.
the face. Want to get his face. Okay, then so this is what we have here.
Wow.
Is it you see is
Okay.
that simple? I was telling them that this is
Yeah.
something you can achieve in in 4 hours is even too much as a
Yeah.
beginner. If I want to do this under 15 minutes I've achieved it. But as a learner, just take your time and achieve.
I'll
So Victor,
I'll
still
I'll do my own and send.
this is still the task. Then the second one is this one. I will not do
Mm.
this one. All of you should remember this one is even more simpler. So I said here, just formulate any dummy text because these texts here are not clear. I think once you have a terms and
Uh,
condition, then just formulate any text, just copy anything from anywhere and put on this area.
so we have to design the
The
way it
front,
is like this.
the front and back. This is the front. This is the ID card. It has front and back now. So this is the front of the ID card.
No problem.
This is the back of it. Still the same size,
Okay.
2.125 by 3.375. So, uh, Precious, I
Okay.
couldn't hear you. Can you type? Precious, can you type? I didn't see your task today. How far? What happened? Please, I want to. Nobody should miss any task, even the one that you have passed. Make sure you do it and send. I'm documenting. I'm documenting all of these things. Please. So this is what you have here. Then, uh, let me teach us one or let me teach us one or two things that I did here that were like magic. So Victor, I was telling you that I used some shortcuts. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
so first of all, let's see. This is circle. I've told you how to get a perfect circle. I've
Mm.
shown you the shortcuts for that one.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
let me go to a new let me delete it. Let me go to a new page. Uh, let me do a circle. Yeah, a perfect circle. Then I want to get I want to duplicate I want to have three circles here. So what do I do? I
Mm.
you see this I did something here now.
You copy and paste.
But I didn't press wait, let me just try and go to uh, so I didn't do control C and control V. What did I do? I just put my cursor here on this top right. Do like I'm resizing it. Yeah. I just did like I'm resizing it while holding my shift key. You are using mouse, right?
So as I go, says come again, sir. My network
Okay.
went to. So come again, sir.
I selected it, then I placed my cursor here on this top node, top right
Yes.
node.
Mm.
Uh, then I did
Mm.
like I'm resizing it. Then I with holding my shift
Yes.
key, dragging and
Yeah.
holding my shift key. The shift key will help you make it whatever you are resizing, it will be equal. Like if I remove my shift key, see what
Okay.
it's doing. I see what is going
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
side.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if I hold my shift key,
Yes.
it's coming from the center. Then
Make it
once I
equal.
hold my
Mm.
shift key to duplicate it, I just right click. Once I right click,
Yeah.
I've gotten a
Yeah.
second one.
Good.
Did it work on your
Yeah.
own?
Let me try it.
Uh, this one is for if you know work, you just leave it. It's just maybe with time you will get used to it. I just wanted to show you the second. Hold hold your shift key, then right click to drop. It has duplicated.
Yes, sir.
Mm. Then you can now do the same thing again. I now have three circles. I can now color them. Did it work?
I'm on it.
It's not working here, though.
It's not working.
It's not working. See what I
Mm.
did? Hold here,
Mm.
like you are dragging it now. Then hold your shift key. It will now be doing like from the center. Is your own doing like this now?
Okay.
Is it doing like this?
No, it's not doing like that.
Hold your shift key now. Drag and hold your shift key.
Yes.
Is it working like this now? Coming in and out.
Ye- Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh, then you to drop it now. That blue line, the blue line is showing you that there is another
Yes.
circle you want to duplicate. So if when I get to if
Yes.
I want to do it like this, if I want to make it big, then I'll now right click. Don't leave your once you right click, you are leaving your hand from the left click. Once you right click, you drop.
Yes. So I should right. Once I right click it to drop.
It will drop. Just right click.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
It
I've
has
got it.
dropped. So you can still
Yeah, I've
do the
got it.
same thing. You can still now this still
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
second one, drag it inside
Yes.
again.
Yes, sir.
Then right click to drop it. That's a duplicating
Yes.
shortcut.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
I've got it.
so that is it for that. You can now color.
Okay.
Then the second shortcut I used was when I worked on this part. Control C, let
Yes.
me copy it. You remember here now, the green and the. So I
Yes.
didn't
Yes.
want to be typing these things again. I want to have the same format. So what did I do? I selected both of them. Yeah.
Yes.
I selected
Yeah.
both of them. They were green. I break them. This is green. This is black. I
Yes.
select
Yes.
both of them. Then
Yeah.
do like I'm dragging it. I do like I'm dragging it down. Hmm?
Mm.
Just do like I'm
Yes,
dragging
sir.
it down. Then hold my shift key. Why I'm holding my shift key is to make it to be on the same line. If
Yeah.
I leave my shift key, the thing go they go with that direction. But once I hold my
Yes.
shift
Yes.
key, it's coming down on the same line. It cannot go. So
Yeah.
as I'm holding down the shift key now, I'll now use the right click to drop and duplicate.
The same
The
way. The
same
same way
way,
I drop the
yes.
cycle.
Just drag
Okay.
it
Okay.
down,
Okay.
drop.
Okay.
Did it work?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, I've got it.
Okay. So as I've done this thing like this, I'll keep it selected. Or maybe I'll keep the second one selected.
Mm.
If I keep
Yes,
it
sir.
selected now, I want to have like five of it. What will I do? I'll press
Mm.
Ctrl R on my keyboard. Ctrl R, Ctrl R, Ctrl R
To duplicate it at
to
the same.
duplicate.
Okay.
It means repeat. Ctrl R means repeat the last thing I did. Are you
Okay.
getting it now?
Okay.
It's not duplicate. It means
Yes.
repeat.
Repeat it.
Like the last thing I did was the last thing what I did was bringing
Drag
this
it.
one down
Drag it and drop.
and drop and
Mm.
replicating it. So Control R means repeat the same process. It will give me
Yes,
another
I've got
option.
it. I've
So
got it.
assuming I did something like this,
Mm.
and I did Control R. Control R will now repeat. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
I've
So
got it.
that's a shortcut to use on those things. It will save you time and save you time and make you work like a professional the more.
Yes,
Not
sir. So, sir,
typing.
the other the other assignment you give us.
Uh,
So that one, after we are done this one, so we have to design that one the way it is.
which one? This one.
Yes.
Yeah, I gave two of them together. I gave two of the two ID card.
Okay.
This is number one. This is number two. I just showed the number one here. This number two is simple. I've not seen any difficulty in there. It's just rectangles, different rectangles. Okay, just pick the colors. I see here is one, two, three, four colors. Then a
Okay.
circle at the center. There is a white circle before the main circle. Yeah,
Just the
the
same
same
way
way
we
we
do the
did that
other one.
one. Then here you have icons. I think the first one is you. I've sent you the icons file. If you remember, it's on the WhatsApp. Location,
Yes.
phone number, email, and website. All of them are inside that. Every icon you need is inside that file I sent you. Then on this part,
The one on yes, yeah,
mm,
that one.
mm,
How can we get that one?
this one, just draw a black rectangle. Just give me something like this. Don't just draw a rectangle. Color it black. Color it black.
Mm.
I'm okay with it. Just draw a rectangle. Color it black.
Okay.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
Then maybe type this number.
Okay.
Ignore the number. Then the mentor I just want to get. Then here the bottom of it, you see, it's just different four rectangles that are of the same size. This one is
Okay.
is a navy blue. This one is a lighter shade, a light sky blue, then green. Uh, so it's just
Yes, sir.
the same four colors. I think it's these four colors that one, two, three, four. Yeah, the same four colors. One, two, three, four. And here three colors. One, two. Okay, one, two, three, four. But the demarcation is at the center. What you have here, see what you have here. These four colors
Mm.
you have here at the bottom is the same thing you have here. So just do
So
what
how can we achieve that color on the same line like that?
is possible. No? It's possible. Draw one rectangle, duplicate it into four places.
Okay.
Draw one rectangle, then duplicate it
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
into four places. Then give it different
Okay.
color.
Okay.
Give it different colors and remove their
Then I remove
outline.
the line.
Then select them and remove their outline. It's as simple
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay. I
So
think it's okay.
that's the tax. So by right, I
No
shouldn't
problem.
even I shouldn't show this in because my policy is if you don't do the tax, no class for you. But I just did this one now
No
for
problem.
formality, so I can
No,
follow it
I'll
up.
make you say I submit. I'll
Mm.
submit my own before Friday, which is I'll submit my own tomorrow.
Before the next class. So if you can work on it this
Uh,
night and do the
I'll
same
do the
thing.
tutorial.
Also work on this first one. You work on the two of them. So that would be that. So Precious, please, can you share your screen? Let me see the faults, the issue you have with your. Oh, we are waiting for you. Now you hold us here, Precious. Let me. Just want to correct the challenge you are facing, so that you can proceed with your own work.